I'm about to go on a trip, packing my bags. This is option 1. This is option 2. And I think we're gonna be going with option 2. Anyone else hate throwing their Quest in a backpack? Cause it does the job, but I'm always scared of 2 things. 1, I'm going to scratch these very fragile lenses with anything like keys, power bank, headphones that you might have in here. And it just sits in there very unsoundly. Backpack is not very protected. There's very thin walls. So if you bang this against something, you're banging your Quest. I think I'm liking this pod a whole lot better. First off, it's extremely hard. Has these easy open zippers. And this is what you immediately get on the inside. So this is to cover the lenses. Yeah, you get one of these when you buy one of these. So you can protect your lenses, whether you're in the case or outside of the case. You can strap it down so it's not drangling around everywhere. And like I said, it is thick insulation in here. And the inside material, it's got this cloth feel. So I'm digging this whole vibe with the straps and everything. Let's see if the Quest fits in here nicely. Okay, simple. Now for the controllers, they just slot right in the middle. Boom and boom. Great way to store this guy, and then you could just put the straps on if you want that extra security on top, and go ahead and close it up. This thing is waterproof, anti-scratch, anti-drop. It is great. So I'm ready to go to the airport. If you're ready to order one of these for yourselves, there will be a link in the description below the like button, where you can get a case just like this one for your Quest 3. By the way, if you do like one of the headbands that are a bit bigger than one of these just small wraparound ones, this can still totally fit in here, no problem. Let me show you this. It has this backrest right here where you could put any of them just like that. You still have this whole front face for the front face of your Quest, and closes no problemo. Just a little fun fact for you. Now, what are you doing? Go ahead and order yours. Or let me know in the comments below what case you like for your Quest 3, what case have you been using, or if this one is going to be your new case.